What are you doing, Scotty?
I am cleaning up all the bolts for the master cylinder so that when they go back on, there's no issues. And we'll have a surprise for everybody, mostly you, John.
Are you going to show your other ankle?
I might.
Wow.
I might. I mean, I don't want to get too spicy. We don't want to get taken off of, YouTube or nothing like that. But I will show you something that I gladly polished.
You nasty.
Girl, let me tell you. So, everybody knows we're trying to get the brakes done on this car. John came yesterday. And he was very, very happy with the work that we're doing. And I'm ecstatic. If he's happy, I'm ecstatic. So it was like, all right, cool, great. We're getting this together. Previous video showed the e-brake cable being done.
Ecstatic, that's happy with extra steps, right?
Yes, it is. That's. Wait, ready? Woo-hoo! Da-na-na-na, da-ba-doo. Yeah, I know.
Well, you almost went knee.
I know, right? Hey, I told you I'd make it spicy. I mean, I could always do a...
Oh.
Want to see a little bit of skin?
Oh, I see some hair growing back.
And...
Ew!
So...
If somebody was blowing you, they could poke their eye out with that, and that's not good.
But...
It's a safety concern.
Well, I'll put a Band-Aid over it. This way it won't poke them too hard.
Back to what we're doing.
Yes, so I got both the e-brake, the one huge e-brake cable done. Had to do the one side twice because I was a dumbass and put it under the exhaust system instead of over.
Way to go, dumbass.
Yeah, I know, right? But what? Ladies and gentlemen, take a peek. It's
actually
on all four tires again, on its
wheels.
own. Yes.
Which, by the way, we're going to address tires.
Yes, we spoke with John on it, and these are apparently ancient.
I think.
They might even be older than me.
No, they're definitely at least 20 years old.
Okay, so they're not quite as old as me.
You think you're 20 years old.
I feel 20 years of age again.
You
But
prefer to snuggle with things around 20 years old.
20 and above, baby. 20 and above, I don't care. I'm an equal opportunity fucker.
Wait, the fuck, man. Anyway.
So, back to what we were doing again.
I wonder if John's going to sit down with his husband one night and make him watch all the videos.
Oh, God.
They're going to have to, cook dinner, dessert,
Let me
snacks.
know. I'll bring wine. We'll do some truffles, maybe some sushi. We'll just make the night of it, I promise. It'll be fabulous.
Oh, boy.
So, but a little
Sounds like
added note.
shindig. Oh, yeah.
We got the duct tape. Duct tape, ladies and gentlemen. Not masking tape. Duct tape.
Well, yeah, that's how when they hauled the car here, they had to tape his wings shut.
Wait.
What are you doing? This guy's way too energetic.
And just think, I've been here since technically 6 o'clock. Again.
I know. What else is new?
Duct tape.
Yeah, well, duct tape fixes everything, dude. Did you not know that?
No, that's Alabama chrome.
In California, it's El Cajon chrome.
Yeah. So, we've got all that scraped. I've got all the outside windows done. This one's done on the inside and the outside. I'll finish wiping the chrome down, get all the windows cleaned on the inside.
Scotty's...
We are close enough that she can get a bath.
Yeah.
Under her own power, we will be pulling it outside.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, driving it outside.
Not today.
And giving her a bath.
That's not today, but that is soon.
Yes.
So, why don't you cut the chase here and
show you what I polished?
Yes.
Because it was fun. I liked polishing it.
You like polishing?
Oh, I loved polishing it. You ready?
Ready?
Ta-da!
Ooh.
It is the original 1956
banjo bolt. Obviously not the original crush washers because
No, they're brand new. Isn't she pretty?
Wow. Hold on. Let me get this thing to focus. There we go. Wow.
And I'm glad I did because when I put air through it, we couldn't get anything to come out the hole.
Oh.
Nothing.
You like it when things come
Well, I
out.
like things that come out of a hole. Yeah,
like
yeah.
things coming out of a
Liquid coming out of a hole, baby, yeah.
You like things coming out of a hole when the hole gets blown?
Well, hey.
Oh,
No, wrong hole.
We need to get him situated somehow. Anyway.
We'll get this in place. We're not going to make it tight.
Not yet.
Well, I may, depending, because all the other bolts that hold this to the firewall and your pin that goes to your brake pedal itself, I want to get everything set up that way, but there's going to have to be a little bit of
finagle.
Yeah, with the brake line, which is common. I mean, they're not factory bent. They're just bent to be somewhat appropriate for where it needs to be.
But everything else has went pretty well.
And I finished off everything yesterday. And if you, I don't know if you can see. Wait a minute. Wait.
That is so straight.
If you look down, you will see a washer.
Yes.
The previous washer was bad and rotted out, so I cleaned up the bolt, cleaned up the bracket. That's where all the brake lines and everything are.
Yep, there's a brake
and the pressure sensor.
There. Yeah.
So I cleaned that all up, put a new washer on it, and that's good.
Nice.
So
nice.
I'll probably do a little bit of engine cleaning.
Yeah, we need to do a little
Maybe not a
spruce up.
whole lot, but a little bit to make it look a little bit nicer in here.
Yes.
You know, so... But we're getting there, John. I promised I'd do the best I could. And wait. One more spicy.
Whoa. Okay. Name's over the line.
We love you, John. You know that.
Yeah, we do.
But we're getting there. I'm salvaging everything I can to keep you and keep the bill as good as possible for you.
Making it nice.
Yep.
Making it nice.
Because we don't want the financial advisor coming down going, yo, buddy,
Gentlemen.
come here. Come here.
Does he break kneecaps?
Oh, I hope not. Fuck. I mean, there ain't much left of me. Come on.
I know.
54 pounds down. There's not a whole lot left. I mean, shit, I turned sideways, stuck out my tongue. I look like a zipper. Come on.
Oh my God. And with that,
See ya.
we bid you adieu.